Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a slow opening Windows download folder. So guys, if you want to fix a slow opening Windows download folder, after right click on properties, click on customize, click on here general item, apply, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix a slow opening Windows download folder. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful and